Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix this problem on your ChatGPT application or ChatGPT mobile on your phone. Just watch and follow this video till the end. So you don't need to open your ChatGPT. Go and open your settings of your phone. So after that, go and open your apps option. You found here all the application that you have now on your phone. Search only for ChatGPT. Open it, and then you have to go to storage option, click on clear cache. But here guys, be careful, don't click on clear data. It will delete your account or your data on your ChatGPT. Go back, then click on first stop and click OK. Right now the most important things is to check that your ChatGPT it's allowed on optimized mode on your battery. Then go and check that your ChatGPT updated on the last version, then restart your phone. That's all. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next video.